What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Richie back at it again with another video. I want to give a special shout out to everybody that's watching the channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you do two things: like and subscribe. We're growing every single day. The subscribers are going up, and I do got some great news today. You guys are gonna get some content that I didn't think was gonna happen. Thank God I was blessed with $20 off of my purchase. So basically, what's going to happen today? We're going to actually make the car get some blue lights inside the car, and I'm gonna break it down where you guys can get all the stuff at. Actually, I went to AutoZone. So I went to AutoZone, picked these up. I got the 24-inch ones. They come in 24 and I believe 8 inches, whatnot. So yeah, if you guys can see real clear, that's basically what's gonna happen. So yeah, I'm going to install this, and then if you guys are interested in getting these, I know they got different colors. The one around the corner, it was running out of some options, but they had red and blue. So the whole thing is, with my car, I'm gonna be going with blue because I want to go with blue wheels. Because usually everybody with white 350Zs in general, they always go with red wheels, gold wheels, black wheels, or white wheels. So I'm coming different. I'm gonna do blue wheels. So definitely gonna use these. Gonna install these on this video. Also, I got these little cheap little caps just for temporarily, just to give the wheels some contrast with the blue. And I am going to put all these on, and then later on off the camera, I gotta bring back the wheels, gotta clean my wheels. But in this video, we're gonna install some super duper glow LED lights in the car. Let's get this. All right, so check out Zons one more time. They got the Speed Hunters. But anyways, like I said, I keep mentioning it all the time, but the new headlights are coming, so it's going to be bust down OEM clear smoke out lights. But yeah, so right now we're about to install these inside the car, and I'm gonna show you how it looks. Ooh, the blue lights, I like that. This is how it looks when I take it out the package. So basically, this part on the bottom of it, on the bottom of the main light source, is going to have like some 3M. Basically, you just put it against anything plastic inside the car, or the hard plastic, where it will basically stick on, and it comes with batteries on it. But then at the same time, we'll have the USB port as well. So let me get this started and show you guys how it goes. So as you guys doing this, I took this one already off. As you guys seeing, it's connected to these batteries. It's the ones where you press the thing. So basically when you press that, the battery's connected to it. It's connected to the part, so I can show you how blue it would be. So what you do is you're gonna just use this part right here. I'm just gonna take that apart. Then that way, this whole battery part right there is totally off. And then we can work on the main thing right here. So it's only got one hand. Basically, this part, it's two parts, right? So you see the tip of these, they go right into there. So since I got two sources, I have two of those, 1 and 2, plug those 1 and 2 into here and hide the wires and everything. So I'm gonna explain a little bit more as I actually do it. Since I only got one hand, two hands, whatever, let me do this. Before I get to the next scene for tonight, I do want to tell you guys, there's so many modifications coming to this car. For those that just now subscribing to the channel, thank you guys so much for the love and everything. I just want to give you guys an announcement what to be expecting. I ordered some side mirror, carbon fiber side mirror. So we're going to replace these ones, put the carbon fiber ones. Also, we have an engine technology intakes that should be coming tomorrow. I ordered a carbon fiber Nismo wing for the back of my car, the spoiler. Ordered that, and I ordered the carbon fiber windshield louvers that will be on the back of the window. I ordered some tire letterings that should be here any day. So I have some special dope tire letterings that I'm going to be installing to the car. We have new shift knobs coming to the car because this one's completely broke and it just looks disgusting. So once this one is gone, I'll be able to show you guys the new shift knob. It's basically a nice one. It's a Nissan Nismo shift knob. Also, what else we have? I ordered some Nismo Carpets, original Nismo Carpets, no aftermarket, original Nismo Carpets. So it's going to be in the Z because I want some fresh carpet, nice carpet. And what else we have? I ordered so many damn things. Oh, also the headlights are coming too. So the headlights should be here. They say in between the 15th and the 20th of this month. So there's so many. Oh, and I forgot to add, we ordered. I ordered a lot of interior carbon fiber stuff. So stuff that's gonna be on the door, center console, gauge area, everywhere. Is gonna be some carbon fiber. So I'm extremely excited. Cannot wait to get all my stuff. It's gonna be all coming from different areas. The interior, carbon interior overlays that I ordered is coming from China. So obviously those are not real, but it makes the car look good. And if you can keep your car looking good on the outside, people most definitely will believe that the shit is real. So yeah, it's going to be freaking awesome. I cannot wait. I have ordered so many modifications for this car. I spend a little too much, but at the end of the day, it's something I really want to do. And in the long run, it's going to help grow the channel. And, you know, I'm excited. And I got to call Nissan. I'm going to ask Nissan how much does it cost them to repair my door, because I'm just missing this. I just need a new piece right here, so it will be able to allow me to open up the doors. So I'm going to call Nissan once I get off of here and try to get some price quotes. If not, then I have my friend help me, because he works on these. He worked on his own doors. So we got a lot of stuff going on, man. Intake coming tomorrow. I know that for a fact. I've been tracking it down. There's so much to this car. Like, you guys that have been following me since the Civic, the RCF Sport, or my Integra, like, the Z is getting extremely built. I don't know how to explain it in different words or terms. This car is getting extremely built. I'm not playing around. Like, you guys always see me do exterior shit, but I'm going to be doing everything. Also, I might be doing it this Saturday. I found a good deal on a new bumper, because the bumper on this car is extremely bad shape. Everything else on the car is cool. It's just the bumper on the front is just bad shape, and I need that to be good. I was thinking about wrapping it, but I'm like, nah, I want to get something aftermarket. And I found three. Well, one is the Nismo bumper. Mostly everybody got that. And I found two other ones that I haven't seen nobody rocking. They still look freaking amazing. So I'm thinking about just copying one of them. So I might know by this Saturday. If not this Saturday, then the following week. But I really want to get the bumper. The bumper is just throwing everything off, but mainly the headlights. So the headlights are going bye-bye. So once I get that done, this car is going to be on a whole freaking different level. Like, I'm so excited. This car, I'm just so happy. And shout out to you, the homie Tim. Thank you for selling me this car, man. I really appreciate it. And there's so much we about to do to this car. We're going to be getting a new aftermarket touchscreen, audio with Bluetooth, because I don't have no Bluetooth in here, so it's kind of difficult for me to hear some good music. And it's everything on this car is literally going to be replaced. I got seat covers right now, but these seats are going to get taken out. I'm getting some race seats. So yeah, there's so much things. I got coilovers we're gonna add on to this car. I have a lot of modified parts that's ordered and already have some stuff already. So, and this car already came with an intake and everything, but I have to take out this intake and put a carb legal intake engine technology. I'm gonna put their intake in here, and then go from there, man. I'm so excited. This car is looking so amazing. I'm gonna show you guys the outside of the car. I really want to show you guys how the blue lights look, or I might save that for another video. I know you guys watching this because of the blue lights, but I'm so excited just to tell you guys everything I'm doing, man. But yeah, matter of fact, I just wait. I'll wait. I hold my horses, and when it gets nighttime, a little darker, I can press the blue lights for you guys, and you guys can see how it looks. It looks amazing in here. And this car is extremely freaking loud. The exhaust been worked on and everything. So that was saving money in my pocket for me not even have to do it. But yeah, this is a real project car, man, and I'm excited. And for the price I got this car for, and the condition it is in, this is a blessing. I was looking for a lot of Z's, and a lot of Z's are ran down to the ground, like badly ran down to the ground. This one was just amazing opportunity. And it's a white one too. It's cool. The original paint was silver, come to find out, but they did white paint over it. It's not the greatest paint. It's like, but it's this car by far is so fucking beautiful. And also for the people that's wondering what I'm doing with the Integra is going to be getting worked on as well. All the parts that I just got for this car, I want to get those onto the car first, and then I'll be doing some stuff on the Integra as well. Getting coilovers for that car, getting new wheels for that car. It's going to be a whole lot of stuff. The wheels that's on this car, I'm going to get them repaired and basically get it powder coated. These wheels are actually nice. There's some like the main right side curb scratches and shit on it, so I'm gonna see what I could do, because these wheels do look freaking good on this car, but I want to bring them back to life. So I'm gonna find out a wheel shop that can kind of repair them, and then I want to get it powder coated, like blue, like my titanium tip on my exhaust tip. So I'm thinking about doing that. So there's a lot of stuff, and I don't want to keep talking too much to you guys about this, but I'm just so excited, man. The channel is actually growing, the views are actually growing, and I'm just honored and grateful that you guys are here watching the journey as I'm fixing my car, man. This is one of my dream cars, man. One of my true JDM cars that I mean, I wanted for a minute, you know what I'm saying? And it's just a blessing, man. I really, like I told you guys, I really wanted the 70, but I do take the 50. I'm glad I took the 50, because 50 is definitely going to become an icon car, classic car, because they don't make these no more. They stopped making them in 2008. So for me, it's a blessing. I'm grateful to have it, and it feels damn good to just wake up and just look out my window and see both of the cars I have from hard work. Literally hard work, man. It's so insane, and people don't comprehend that. Like, this is crazy. I never in a million years thought I would have 2 cars. I've been getting many cars. It's just that I fucking bust my ass and I do what I do, man. And starting my own brand, Immortal Society, you know what I'm saying? I mean, coming from where I grew up, it is a blessing, man. And you don't see too many brothers from my area, Oakland, California, becoming very successful and creating their own business, and not just doing the rapping or not just doing being an athlete and stuff, like taking a whole new route, which is YouTube and video content, being a creative. This shit is insane, you know what I'm saying? Like, people I went to school with, I don't know nobody that's doing YouTube, you know what I'm saying? Maybe now that I'm doing it, but like, I don't know, you know, it was never a talk about. I mean, even when I did this stuff, did nobody like really even, you know, it was just like whatever. But as the success came, like just really connecting with people recognizing me, and, you know, me making profit from something I'm actually passionate about. I've been doing for so many years without making profit, which I didn't care for. But it is a nice thing to be rewarded for something that you find so passionate. And I'm planning on making this a full-time job, you know what I'm saying? So there's so much things coming to this car, and there's so much things coming to this channel. This car is going to be getting built. My Integra about to be getting built. It's going to be crazy. Oh, man, I just can't wait, man. I'm so excited. You know what? I thought about it. I'm not going to wait till tonight. Let me just get this video up and rolling, because you guys deserve to see how it looks. But I'm going to just turn the lights on. In the next video or some sort, I will show you guys the lights. Or maybe when I do some driving at nighttime. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make a video of me driving at night with the lights and everything. But let me show you guys these lights real quick, man. Real quick. So just hold on, relax. Basically right there, I got all the cords like hide up in the back. But once I turn these lights on, woo. So once it's dark, once it's nighttime, you guys will see like much more. Like, it's just the whole ground is gonna be completely blue. It's still daytime, as you guys can see, but once it's nighttime, this whole floor becomes blue. And then we're gonna come over here, and it's blue down here, and it looks amazing. As you guys can see under here, under the dash area, this is where you put the lights at, because they got to stick to some hard plastic, because of the let me see, let me show you guys like this. Swag, hey, swag. Woo! These lights are so freaking nice, man. Oh my gosh. Woo! Man, I'm loving it so much, man. I truly appreciate you guys for watching this video. This is just a short video. I wanted to show you guys just something simple you can do. Go to AutoZone. They have it in over there by the LED lights. It's basically like a little wall with LED lights, and it's over there by like where you buy like the plastic dip and stuff like that. It came out so nice. Like, I swear, it came out so nice. It's still early in the morning, daytime. Just imagine at nighttime. But like I said, I'm gonna make a video where I'm driving at nighttime and you guys can see all the lights that's lit up at nighttime, because at nighttime the whole ground where your foot is gonna become blue. And I know they do too, like they sell the 24 inches and they sell the 12-inch ones, but they do actually sell individual. So if you bought, like I did, I bought the blue one, but you want to add blue, green or red to it, they sell them in small packages of the extra strips you can just plug on to the end of the ones. Basically they got this, they have basically they sell like they sell it individually, where you can just add the add-on and you can pick any color. You can do the same color if you just want to make the strip longer or whatever. You can definitely do that. They got extensions and they have different colors, or you can get the same color. They sell them by 8-inch, 12-inch, 24-inch. So you can add it on and make it longer or wider or whatever you want to do. You know what I'm saying? So like I said, I got it at AutoZone. The one I got is the 24-inch one, which is the longest one. It's affordable. It's like, I think it's like $28, $28, $29, something like that. So yeah, it came out good, and it looks hella good, man. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video. The intake should be here, and I should be installing the intake, and I'm gonna show you guys how I installed the intake. I'm super excited. Shout out to Engine Technology, man. They gave me a shout out. If you go on their Instagram page, you'll see me with my red Civic holding the box, man, because they hooked me up big time. And man, let's get this horsepower going. And like I said, I'm going to be doing a lot of stuff under the hood, performance wise, and it's going to get crazy, man. My God, I'm just so happy, man. I hope you guys have a blessed day. Make sure you guys go watch my other videos. I would truly appreciate that. And make sure you guys share my channel, share a video with somebody you know that loves Z's or JDM cars. Let's get this channel growing and growing. We already surpassed the 4,000 mark, and we are just going. So next road, the next step is 10,000. We got to reach that 10,000 subscribers by the end of this year. So I can't wait, man. I hope you guys have a blessed day. Stay tuned for the next video.